Hello my dear students, how are you? Fine? So today we are going to do the textual exercise of which chapter? Yes, chapter 3, the elephants and the mice, and this is our video number 4. So welcome back students to our English class of standard 1, and this is video 4 of chapter 3. Now what we are going to do today? We are going to do the textual exercises. So be ready, take out your book. So open page number 23. Now we have completed everything. Reading of the lesson, explanation of the story, hard words, word meanings, everything. So today we are going to do the textual exercises. Okay. Now I am going to do it in my book and you will also do in your book. Okay. So let's start from question number A, comprehension. Read these jumbled sentences from the story and number them in order. Now here some sentences are written from the story only and they are jumbled, they are misplaced. So you have to arrange them accordingly. Okay, you have to arrange them accordingly. So for that, first we are going to read all the sentences. Okay, let's start. The chief of the elephants said sorry to the king of mice. Second one is, whenever they came, they killed many mice by walking over them. The trumpet now. The elephants struggled hard to free themselves, but were not successful. Once a herd of elephants visited the lake for drinking water. He accepted the request of the mice. The mice quickly nibbled the thick net from various places. Now, if you have gone through this chapter, if you have read this story, it will be very easy for you to mark which one is the first sentence, which one is the means in sequence. You can very easily mark all the sentences in sequence, isn't it? Now, which one will be the first sentence as per the story? Can you tell me? Yes. Once a herd of elephants visited the lake for drinking water. Now, I am going to mark this as number 1. Whenever they came, they killed many mice by walking over them. This is number 2, according to the sequence of the story. Always remember, according to the story. The chief of the elephants said sorry to the king of mice. No. He accepted the request of the mice. Yes. The elephants struggled hard to free themselves but were not successful. This is number 4. The mice quickly nibbled the thick net from various places. This is number 5. And the last one, when the elephants set free, they were thankful to the mice and they also realized their mistake and they said sorry to the king of the mice. That is number 6. Okay. So we have completed question number A. Now turn the page. Now page number 24. Page number 24, question number B. Answer these questions. Now in question number A, this you are going to do in the book only. But question number B, that is answer this question, this you have to do in your copy. Now I am going to discuss all the answers and after that you will open the video and you will write all the question answers in your copy. Okay. Now let's start. Number 1. Why did the king of the mice request the chief of the elephants to take another route to the lake? So what will be the answer? The king of the mice requested the chief of the elephants to take another route to the lake because on their way to the lake, the elephants trampled many small mice under their heavy feet. They trampled. See here it is written, elephants trampled many small mice. So they they killed many mice walking over them. Okay. Number 2. What did the king of the mice promise to the chief of the elephants? The king of the mice promised that in return they would be helpful to the elephants whenever they need them. That means when in the hour of their need they will be helpful to the elephants. The king of the mice promised that in return they would be helpful to the elephants in the hour of their need. Okay. Why did the chief of the elephants laugh on hearing the promise? The chief of the elephants laughed on hearing the promise, as the elephant thought that the mice, they are so small and weak. How can they help such a big land animals? Okay. Now question number 4. How did the mice help the elephants? The king of the mice, with his strongest mice, went to the place where the elephants were trapped. They nibbled the thick net from various places to loose it so that the elephants can be set free. The king of the mice, with some of the strongest mice, went to the place where the elephants were trapped in the net. They nibbled the thick net, making it loose to set the elephants free. What lesson did the chief of the elephants learn? The lesson that the chief of the elephants learned was never underestimate anyone. Even the smallest can be a great help for the strongest in the hour of need. The lesson that the chief of the elephants learned was never underestimate anyone. Even the smallest can be of great help to the strongest in the hour of need. Okay, student? So we have completed question number B also. And you will write all the question answers in your copy of question number B, not of question number A. This you are going to do in the book only. And question number 3, this is think and answer. So we will do in our class. During our class, we will discuss this question number 3. Okay. So we have completed this chapter today. And now in our next class, we are going to meet again with some new topics. Till then, bye-bye.